it's
Whoa! Look who it is! Look who's back.
It has suspension on it.
Dude, this is crazy. We're going halvesies on this. Oh my god.
The other weekend, one of us hit.
What's the problem?
One day.
You never seen a rocket bunny before?
Not this one in person. Stick your camera in there and look at the gauges. Look at everything.
Oh wow, those are cool. NB2 steering wheel?
Wait, how's that?
He's got water spots is what he's got.
Oh yeah.
Okay, today we're out here at... Damn it. Cars with a Cause, that's what it's called.
That's the one.
Yeah, in Rancho Cucamonga. We're actually pretty far out. To be honest, it's a lot quieter than I expected, so we're gonna see what happens. What the hell? Why are you here?
You gotta say your part.
Dude, this car.
I see it.
You gotta do louder than that. Dude, this car.
I see it.
Add a little clutch kick on Instagram. What are you laughing at?
I just feel bad for this Miata. What do you think's under the hood of that Prius?
I don't think I've ever seen a Prius with its hood popped.
You think there's a V8 just lurking there?
I honestly don't know what to expect.
Massive turbo.
I mean, it's got an aftermarket with a bumper and it's slammed on the ground. Racing suction. It's got good suction, Christian.
So we got it open. Let me close it. You ready for the sound? Did you like it?
Wasn't what I was thinking, but it's a good sound.
Alright, let's go. So I know this video has pretty much been all over the place, like even pretty much all over Southern California. But right now we're actually in Woodland Hills trying to figure out some new photography methods on how we can step up our game for the Kaizen Creation Instagram.
Trying to be more creative, think outside the box.
So right now we're on the 3rd floor. My car is down one level. We're seeing how this framing would look with my car up here with a shooter from this balcony before we get kicked out by security, because they're really strict here, unfortunately. Broke all their necks. And the M6.
It didn't quite come out how I wanted it to.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna head somewhere else and try some other stuff. Alright, we're currently actually in Malibu. There's an S2000 and a Civic actually behind us, kind of behind us, shooting some photos. But as, how do I put this? attempting to get more creative on our Kaizen account. We're gonna start, or at least try to get some night shots. I'll just insert the photos so you guys can hopefully see them if they come out good.
I like it. I like it.
Over fenders on it now.
Wow. That looks great. Fast, I assume?
Ish.
Loud?
No, not really.
Not too loud?
It's quieter than this.
Wow, you got a lot of spiff on this thing.
Look at this down here.
Ah, I see the,
My car has this same style.
Right.
It's like bullshit. So this is like the full kit.
I see the full kit on this one. Good looking stuff.
Eventually I'll do that to my car.
To your car?
Yeah, so it makes
The car's not big enough.
makes the stance wider. We saw one today. It looks so nice.
Is that right? Good stuff. So what was it color? What color was it before?
Dark red.